Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. This device is called as a access control device or face recognition device. As you can see, it asks for a activation password when we switch it on. This is powered using 12 volt and 2 ampere or 1 ampere of adapter, and this is with LAN port as well, so that we can configure through the computer. If we do not have this as well, it will still work, if you can see, but as you know, it's a standalone device. So I'm removing this cable for a better understanding. As you can see, we'll put the password over here as H. Okay, this device has now got activated, and it will give you a number of options which we have to run through. We can just click on next and do this manually as well later, because we don't need this over here right now. You can put an administrator as the name user or anything like test 1. Okay, and you will set the fingerprint as an administrator.
Press your finger again. Press your finger again. Fingerprint collected.
This is how the device is now done. So if you see, it will authenticate the user in. So this is very simple. It's just a configuration using a standalone device. Okay. In the next video, we will teach you how to configure this using IVMS, which is very important. And you can also find our circuit diagram right over here, where you can connect this device to the magnetic door controller with a push button, and the second circuit diagram as two in and out devices with a magnetic lock and a push button. Please follow us as on Instagram as well as AAK Technology Partner. You'll have all these diagrams over there. Thank you.